All right, everybody. Got a little video here of the Pinkway. I was watching Indie Woods, and he was taking apart his Bradley. It's like a V Modest clone or Zenoa clone. So, I was commenting that I had the same filter set up. Right after I commented, I went and checked mine. Mine's sucking dirt too, and I didn't grease my filter. I'll be honest, mine was starting to come loose. So I'm going to attribute half of it to it coming loose, but you can see got a decent amount of fines in there. But this is what my simple mind's thinking at the moment. Um, kind of like when you used to buy an air filter for like a 14 horse Kohler, for like a walk behind mower. They used to give you like a piece of silicone to replace the one on the post. So um, that's what I'm gonna rock with. And I left it just a hair proud, so it'll sandwich down. Should keep this from coming loose and also seal that off. But I'm gonna try it out after this snowstorm we got coming in, and then I'll post back. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. And also chime in if you got a better fix for this.